ambiente kaba, but you get your drinks. It's an experience. It's not just a show.
Yeah.
So yega, but haya bo drinks dang ora bo yega, tabay the music playing. You can socialize, mingle, get your wine, get your bucket, and then the show starts. You go in the main sala principal. Wake show, yore kaba, botasali, and the party continues there.
I love that.
Tabay ting DJ tro botasali, haya DJ bodilanti, and the party continues outside.
Yeah.
This etong whole experience.
We got you covered for the whole night.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Just eat before.
Yeah. E que hora tá começa? When do the doors open? E que hora tá acaba?
The doors open at 7. A show misa kumisa 8. And we're expecting ku etakaba bandi 10 May, 10. It's always hard to tell. So
Yeah.
But it's still fun. So
Yes,
we don't want
indeed.
it to end ever. Pero mastando bandi 10 May lakaba. Ito this business yung after party na cage.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So nos ting nos local drag queens kuta involved namin din nos show ay kiatobia anto nos ta organizing ang after party at their house.
Yes.
Primeiro nos
Nice.
kas kuta depois na kas.
Yes.
Anto, after party, vamos a comprar tickets para essa também separado?
Nato na team banshee.
Okay.
So just tap a little drag queen on the shoulder anto na yung banshee din namin.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all very secretive.
Okay. Nice. E lo que tá entrada é preço de entrada?
Eta 40 flowing so nos probably want the mas about possible. So yeah, bringing 8 people from New York is not a cheap thing to do.
No, me imagino.
Pero toch, pues nos keep it accessible for everyone. It's a 40 flowing nos the tickets will paid out away time, so you don't even have to leave your house for the tickets. Anto si wat hebben bepast zich nos também vinden we gezellig. Na Casa Cultura of nos die na Plaza Bookshop of na Superfood. So literally there's no
escaping it.
There's no escaping it.
Awa,
No.
babisa na Casa Cultura na onda precisa si ami que vai comprar ticket onda com a porta meeting o drenta.
Opa,
E
pag
que hora para que hora?
Okay, hoe bong, zie. Want we gaan via porta di land in bang links, but in porta kuto pita offices,
Okay.
and that's where my shiny happy face is.
Yeah.
My collega nang
You see it from far.
Yes.
the shiny teeth.
Yes.
Nos yung double mi hoko nos po this yeah, and we're open from weekdays and then Nuevo Ecusico.
Den imagen na tami kono suwak online botowak é um tremendo show, dus um show grande.
Oh yeah.
Kuto um lugar. Dus kiko hine por spec pa essa kono sa. Kono ninguém vai nunca.
Well, sowieso.
Pa é show aqui.
Binosa probably hin na iigiwak Pride like internationally bosa na
Si.
Amsterdam of
Si.
America, something like that is what you can expect.
Ach,
Bosa
leuk.
echt full party. Like we're
Nice.
taking this to a next level. Dus bij team dance, bij team music. Love show team pida kuda not yung band it's called Sunshine and the Fox. They write their own songs. Look them up on
Nice.
Spotify. Echt super fun. And then hasi just a full on performance with everything you can imagine. Dus you really don't want to miss this one. And then show so dus like no bisa
Yeah,
many
don't
eyes
miss
by the
out.
mass show because
Yeah,
they're already
yeah,
on a plane back. So
Yeah.
Pero wara, to by din dos event, toch? Omdat
Si.
Jabiaro de Sabra. Kiko din Jabiaro en kiko din de Sabra.
See, Jabiana is a free event, so Bosa Pride is not only a celebration, it's also a moment to stand still to appreciate the people that have fought for us. Dus Bosa nos enlighten neta. Dus nos een free event on the 7th, nos vai ter party lezing, die Familia Plania, nos ting highest involved, nos ting orgullo, nos ting baixa, que vai ser poetry reading também, nos tem queer art expo, de nos exposar, que vai ter dia 8 também. Nos tem young queer artists que arte, they express their emotions and they made art and poetry. Dus nos vai exhibit essay também. And we're ending it with queer bingo. So nos
Leuk.
nos vai ter Alan, our favorite drag queen, que vai host the music bingo.
Oh, love that.
Evento ito full gratis.
Nice.
Kung
E
sa
pa
shit,
bingo, si Bikyar hunga.
Papahunga, papayega.
Okay. Ay, gratis tam.
Everything is free.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Everything is free. But I catch it in nos, you listen to the music, put the strip off until you might win a little prize.
Okay, love that. E de que hora para que hora essa aqui tá?
Ito kung sa shit to eh.
Okay.
Isa que também está tomando lugar na Casa Cultura
Yes,
também.
yes. Essa aqui é um smaller scale event. Essa é echt ding nos foyer so. Anto dia 8 to ding nos sala grande full blown rainbow sunshine disco ball, all of that.
Ando pa dos dia na aqui, tem um age restriction para evento na of
Honestly, it's come as you are. Anto I think it's up to parents to decide.
Okay.
Pamisa natin yung palabang malo of nada.
Yeah.
The age I would recommend personally is 12 plus. So eta kumisaw tiki mas lada,
Lada.
takaba tiki mas lada. that, and we do serve alcohol.
Yeah.
But in principe, everybody's welcome. Don't bring your babies, please don't bring your babies. But like,
Leave the babies at
leave the
home.
babies at home. But like,
Turhente ko
basta,
na compronde.
yeah, exactly. Basta, if you're a fun family and you want to bring your kids, yeah,
Yeah,
I
why
have
not?
nothing against that. Like,
Okay.
just it's gonna be a fun show, and this is for everybody. Just
Yes,
don't
and
bring
feel free to express being bisti, maniko buka bisti, wasa, there's no
Oh
discrimination.
yeah, we love that.
Yes.
Yes. Come here,
Those
kid.
outfits nanda ready
Oh,
tama.
very shiny.
Oh yes, we love that. We love a good shiny tama.
Yes.
No, tremendo.
Palo kita a entrada ora na una para comprar na outro para repetir para ainda não para saber exatamente quando a entrada e para por saco para cumprir.
Yes, definitely. So, estando na 40 Florin, nós estamos vendo na Casti Cultura, na Plaza Bookshop e na Superfood Plaza e riba Pay.away online.
Okay. Você viram famoso também, mas ainda está comprando ticket na também o
Sim,
pay
but
dot
it's
away.
ideal.
Yes.
Pas om gewoon naar casa en we comprar ticket.
You can buy it from the toilet.
Sim,
Legit.
Als we dus busca onder op een kumpa tampouco,
Correcto.
want aqui on the habri of Kiko, like you
Yeah.
could just you have it
It
all.
takes
I
no
just think-
effort. Hindi ko buy. Basta busy, okay, pa-buy. Basta dentro mo auto.
Bueno, digo para entrar no banho, manila kayo bisa de toilet, não vou cumprir. Não vou ter câmera, não vou ter sala também, na cozinha.
Doesn't need to be a bathroom.
Yeah.
Não, mas
We
ainda
have a lot of time there,
ainda
no?
capaz de querer ser, não me lá, me deu, me para cumprir. Lá vai no toilet vai
Gaan we bij
cumprir.
de toilet.
Pero tu balak porta na kwarta ora nang
Exactly.
você. Basta man
É sei de lugar onde agora mais coisas.
Hey.
Meditation room.
Não, porque mesmo se contento de ter você também no estúdio, onde conosco uma inta, dus invitado ainda para assina
Yes, we have a gift.
for parte sim, tem um gift.
Oh, tem um
Sim,
Yes.
quando nos está
Um
aqui.
gift
giveaway.
a
Oh.
oyente. Pode ganhar algum prêmio de Swift Distribution e também
Nice.
dos tickets.
Those ticket
Amazing.
We leveled up.
You can bring your cute little date.
Yeah, it's a perfect first date, no?
It is.
Ah.
It
It
is.
is.
We
We'll
have to market
entertain
like
you.
that.
Want to hire us to compatible. And if it's not
Exactly.
compatible, maybe you can find someone else.
Touche.
For the both of them.
No, pues we got those tickets. I don't know how you guys do this. Kung gente gana
Sí.
tickets sa kaboso.
Nós estamos regalando. Sim, nós lagay na message nós também.
Aha.
E like também nos social media agora aqui, então na por fora parties DJ também agora.
All
Yes.
people are welcome. Love
Nice.
it.
All people welcome.
Dus bij de nos Facebook page, Cool FM 989. Just like e message nos rato nos WhatsApp. Bisa porque gana boteca na 594 6757. É também com bosta também, não?
No.
Não?
Sabi din ko sa
É
kaya.
para buscar que não tá.
No,
Foi bom
but to
mesmo.
save money on the tickets, we compra mais barato.
De mês.
Ay, llega
sim.
trempang.
Girl maths.
Un costi llega trempang, paso pro me 50 gente nang tabi haya un very nice gift.
Sim?
Sim.
Oh.
Okay.
Que quanto é como tu dizer sabor, não pode dizer assim, não? Como tu dizer
Di Prosecco?
Flavors, di Prosecco.
flavors.
No, I think un solo tanto,
Okay.
okay. Not indifferente. Ito, un solo y sus, piti ko sa akin notes lang pa po. The
It has a
wine
little
notes.
bit like sweet hints in it, but
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not
yeah.
zoet.
Sí, sí,
But it's like super good.
it's amazing. Ayer I have un glass. I was like, wow. This is
Want dat is bij die regular wine standard.
Sí, sí, sí.
Boca yan
Tabay din variasyon.
wow.
Tabay din variasyon di Bia, pero yeah, the main thing ta Alberto Nani.
star of the show is
Yes, Alberto Nani.
She
tabay
is
ting
that girl.
Yeah. Tabay ting
Period.
very, very nice photo booth that you don't want to miss out on getting a photo on this photo booth di Alberto Nani.
Oh, we have so much going on. I
Yes.
keep forgetting to mention
Yes.
everything.
Basically, just show up to
See,
see
just show
everything.
up. So there's no mention to ko. So
Yeah.
just come see for yourself.
It's gonna be a big party. It's
Yeah,
gonna be a
come